So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the Q4 earnings of a stock on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance application opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to actually just select a stock of your choosing. So for this demonstration, how about I go to the search bar here at the top, and how about I search up ticker symbol Walmart, WMT right here. So I'm on the Walmart equity. Now once you're on this screen of the stock of your choosing, just scroll down a little bit until you come across these options of summary, analysis, and financials, and just simply press on the financials page right here. Then under financials, there is performance and earnings. If you were to go ahead and press on earnings right here, you can then actually view the previous earnings. And if you're looking for Q4 in specific of 2024, for example, it is actually right here, Q4 of 2023. So you can view the earnings here on the page for Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 of a given year. So fairly straightforward, but this is how to view the Q4 earnings of a stock on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.